About wiring methods configuration of ADW300 series. When the ADW300 is powered up and in standby interface, press Set button to enter password interface. Press Enter button. Use up and left button to set the default password 0000. Press Enter button to enter bus interface. Press Up button to enter system interface. Press Enter button again to enter PL interface. Press Enter button again and use Up button to set the wiring methods accordingly. Here, 3P4L stands for 3-phase 4-wire. 3P3L stands for 3-phase 3-wire. Suppose this ADW300 was using in a 3-phase 4-wire AC power system. Then we will set the wiring methods to 3P4L. After correctly setting the wiring methods, press Enter button to confirm. Now the wiring methods of ADW300 was almost set, and in order to save the setting, press Set button twice. You will enter Save interface. Press Enter button and use Up button for selecting to Yes. Press Enter button again. Now the setting of wiring methods will be complete.